and Semanka we in the book than enemy. Now by Uti Semi or no Uti Sem Bebre. Say Iran and friends US Queen Strait of Hormuz blockade near the war was information in I affect crude oil prices. So when you 70 and no crabina. Ubebi sanama na tuno bo asiama figures no. Last time I buy Okocho exams ukra figures no 190 barrels $90 per barrel. And as I say na I say intino omonye 9 many aji. Minim say no asem bi na bebi sa no na.
Call no aban so tie.
Me beti.
Aban dey.
I don't buy what the report crab buy. Nkra omu pe adwuma o ba ne fie a wo boa omu ema omu nya adwuma ye ne ade obeka ne nyina wa hama ai friends Evans edi hu dwuma ma sankra ne nyina akra nya adwuma no nimse no wasan na de woni abri a o ka group me group ma ba bia o kan market mi nam hu de bia
o se na
na o ma ye wia o hu ba bia ye de wia enwura fu mu da omo muti kro from no
asena painting no number painting na
ye nya hwe painting dey another no fa painting na fa ho no man ko start adwuma nti wasem we kro from homecoming mrantie on buy na obisa omo a eye ni are obie ni tuase market yi afu amankrantie ne namu ma ebi mu chichi biwe JDM buy no okofa ho no mu ne ade omo promise omo so mbe ya mo and they want to work on it. Esi ma oman ni nyina na se kay painting and also mo painting and omo ya se John asem we why name painting sabe ye fa okra ko nyina ma brasha obetimi a painting amanke ye wie kra ma ba now man for ton ne ma wo mo your business say ye painting a enti omo ti kro from wo ho no mu ekwa akosi adwen kwanta area mu ho no mu nyina no omo nim ne ete say nchase nkure gu outer we say ni so kra no kra ni nyina nkra vangu so na de na gu so sa but what dem echo na enti we nya chinye ana painting na omo kodo do ho na omo ye there is no last 2 weeks ekwan e da ho ana omo ye oh na
kasa man
so what I say Caterpillar am kwan so ho no omo dwi kwan yi kra last 2 weeks omo ti hoyi asema making omunim so what I say there are certain things we just don't need to argue baby our politics are true any baby oman here true no people have moved and we've learned maybe one ma obi ni wo di won chinya me ana me pese me kasa baby because you see Bob Marley ne kasa say he who feels it knows it more so we the eka wa hanyina say me twa ntra omo ti kro from ho no 230 ho no so them 230 and after the twa ko anymore plaza Polos Hotel on no room or no they know inti nya fe na me chama me be chire mu say o my market no ana aka painting ana omo ko pay no because a reality
okay
o pese hu a o be hu we nye we ni kwa say o ma doctor ni brain hu na omo boana ana omo ko painting
osema me
ha no man
osema me how
no I'm not making an argument I'm just making comments
osema me how
o say omo wie what
ya kanu na ye important no and ye
and it took you 8 years to paint
abonten na ye what I say abonten no ana na ye kwa ye market no na say na or the eya kosi no so akodo wa it doesn't mean so we market no it one year
okay
it was no we
masem ne say
what was no we
ya enko enim na chama you am na enko enim na ehwe other issues ya
what the NDC is doing in Ashanti region a political party they are in government they are trying their best to win the youth. I think say as quite interchange hey painting ni ade hun tokwa ni hun sam bebre metiti ni nyina na that's how brand na mini ada agement mi amba studio and o share ni ekono on the social media and people are saying the original minister is a social media person whatever social media no it has come to stay with us. Social media has come to stay with us. Into sorry now for our phone. Now me also now share what is going on Facebook, on Twitter, on X and Instagram. Now who say project we na ekoso we are many workers as here obi betimi afọ no fon akugina Krofo market ho no na wa start a video ni ade ni nyina na wa for area bro Sir John quickly first na kenti sa enti if we have got people who are moving things niema na ekono so ekoyie mabinum and the youth are happy about it
ekoyie mabinum
oh yes that's a reality and at the end of the day mpaye ne ebo say o mind be yi it's not about such chinchine trying say me opposition enti no obi a minister and now obi a MP and now obi a DC or MC and now obi a KM boss enti o say me ya mani faili say the beya me abi take power say fa so be na menya so mine ba ma me say me na me magic and I'm your spirit be never page na wana help them build a good thing. At the end of the day there will be elections at the end of the tenure. You do elections no now will be papa bi e ka che nipa na different idea to build what has been done already na ye nyina yakọ na se de bia nipa na no mo nya papa na mo ti say and it doesn't help. It doesn't. All right, help. Me that say no about Thanksgiving. Can you who say youth follow up? Do what you can to also bring the youth, but don't give false hopes and then your papa na wait to say utie niema ekoso ni I mean Sir John. Me that say chairman. Me that say pa ma yenko enim. Ai Dr. Kwasi che me yenko enim. Why? Me yenko enim.